Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are good. Welcome back our online class English. Children, already we have started third lesson, the dog's tail. What was in the first video that you have seen? What was in the first video? We have started with the lesson of third in English, that is the dog's tail. So there was a farmer in a village. He was lazy to do the work. Always he wanted to sleep. So he did not want to do any other works. So one day he was thinking himself, like, if I was a genie, I will tell all my works to him. He will complete my all works. Like that he is thinking. One day what happened? A genie was here. So he came in front of the farmer. Who? The genie. The genie told to the farmer that I will work for you. For that you need not to pay any money for my work. But there is a one condition. What is the condition? If you not give me any work to do, then next second I will kill you and I will eat your flesh. That was the condition between the farmer and the genie. Farmer was agreed for genie's condition. So he told the first task to the genie. Who? The farmer. The farmer told the genie to the first task is go to my fields and dig a well for me. This is the first task for the genie. So when he told to the genie, genie went to the farmer's field and dug a well and came back. So again farmer told to genie, make a big house for me and also prepare a big lunch for the villagers. Then genie prepared and built that. Whatever the farmer said, he completed that work. This was we learned in our first video. Okay. See, in this video we are continuing the lesson 3. What was happened after the second task? See here. Master, I will do all that, said the genie. The genie went away, the farmer lay down to sleep. So the farmer told to genie, prepare house and next food for the villagers. It was not more than half an hour when the genie came back. He woke the farmer and said, Master, the house is built and the big meal is ready. What is my next task? I already told you. After saying, the farmer told him to complete a big house for him and also prepare a big meal for the villagers. So the genie was completed. Farmer's task within half an hour, means it is not more than 30 minutes. The farmer was filled with fear. He knew the genie would kill him if he gave him no work. So what was the condition actually? Between the genie and the farmer. What was the condition? The farmer he should always give a work to the genie. If he not give, what will happen? If he not give, the genie will kill the farmer and eats the farmer's flesh. That's the condition. So here farmer is giving task to the genie. But he is completing the task, he is completing the works. Whatever the farmer told to the genie, he is completing that works within very short time. So the farmer, he was filled with fear, means the farmer was fearing. Why? If I not give any work to genie, he will kill me and he will eat my flesh. Lucky. There lived a schoolmaster in the village. He was a wise man. So, luckily in that village there is a schoolmaster. School teacher is there. He was a wise man. Means he is a good person. The farmer went running to him. He told the schoolmaster about his problem. So, the farmer went near the schoolmaster and told about his problem. Whose problem? The farmer's problem. Okay. The schoolmaster thought for some time, then he said, I have a dog. Take it to the genie and ask him to straighten its tail. Straighten means making something straight. Okay, if it is bent, we are making it is straight. That is called straightening. So the schoolmaster suggested to the farmer that you can. I have a dog. You can take it to the genie and tell him to straight the tail of the dog. See what happened next. The genie was very happy to hear about his new task. What an easy task. He said to himself, surely the farmer has no other task for me. I will finish it in no time. Then I will kill the farmer and eat his flesh. How tasty the flesh of my fat farmer would be. So the same thing, whatever the schoolmaster told to the farmer told the genie that you can straight the dog's tail. After hearing that, genie felt very happy. Because digging well, it is more difficult. Preparing a big house, that is also more difficult. And preparing a very big meal, that is also more difficult. This difficult task, the genie was completed within very short time. So, in the same way, the genie was thinking that the dog's tail, straightening dog tail is an easy task. And also thinking himself, who? The genie. If I complete this work, the farmer do not have any other works. Then I will kill the farmer and I will eat. How tasty the flesh of my fat farmer is. So the farmer was very fat. So the genie was thinking himself, the flesh of farmer is very tasty. Okay, next. The genie pulled the dog's tail straight. Okay, but it curled again, and again when it let it go. He pulled the tail again with all his might, but again curled. The genie tried hundreds of times. Every time the tail curled the same way. Have you seen a dog? The dog tail is always bent. It's crossed. When you straight it, again it will come like this. When you straight it, again it will come. Understand? So, the genie thought was the task. Straightening the dog tail, that's an easy task. Like the genie was thinking, but it is very difficult task. Why? Because whenever you pull the dog's tail, again it will come curled. Okay. So, the genie pulled the dog's tail straight. Okay. The genie pulled the dog tail straight, but again it curled again, means again it bent. Okay, so he tried so many times. The genie was tried hundreds of times. Then also straightening and again going curl. The genie began to sweat. Sweat means waste. Give out water like drops from the skin when one is. So when we do work, so some of the water will come out from our body. That is called sweat. So the genie began to sweat. Means whenever he is doing the job, whenever he is straightening the dog's tail, it is curling again. So he began to sweat from head to foot. He was so tired that he could not try anymore. At last, he left the dog and ran away. He never showed himself again in the village. Finally, what happened? He tried hundreds, thousands of times to straighten the dog tail, but he was not succeeded. Why? Because the dog's tail always curl, means cross. Understand? It should not be. Nobody can straighten it. Okay. So the genie also tried so many times, but he could not. So he got sweat from head to foot. He was so tired. Okay. He was so tired. For example, if you do work continuously, we feel tired. Means we don't have that much strength to do the work. So the genie also tired and he could not try anymore. So he tried so many times, but again he don't want to try to straighten the dog's tail. At last, he left the dog and ran away. What happened last? He left the dog and ran away. He never showed himself again in the village. So, children, here we have to observe one moral. What? We have to work, whether it is small or big. Always you have to work. If you not do any work, you feel lazy. You will become a lazy person, like the farmer. Understand? So we should not depend on others. If we have strength, if your health is good, if you are able to do work, you must do work. If you not do, you will become a lazy person and you will get more problems in future. Okay? This is the lesson, the dog's tale. I hope everybody enjoyed the lesson, the dog's tale. Okay? Okay children, this is your third lesson, the dog's tale. I hope you everybody enjoyed the lesson. Whatever the underlined words are there, you have to underline your book and also learn the spellings. Okay, the writing part we will continue in our next videos. Until children, take care and thank you.